So here is the 5-step program, which I call the 5 commandments. Thou shalt draw a picture. Thou shalt label everything with symbols, not just numbers. Then you will draw a separate isolation diagram for each body of interest. And I will explain what that means. But in essence, you extract a body from the original picture and you label all the forces that act on that body. You then choose and label coordinate axes for each isolation diagram, from which you can write out the equation F equals ma, because according to this, the time rate of change of the momentum of the object is given by the sum of the external forces. Then you try to solve the equations. And finally, if you are able to solve the equations, you check that the solutions are reasonable. So things that you can do are check dimensions. If it doesn't have the right dimensions, then you know it's wrong. But if it does have the right dimensions, that's not a guarantee that it's right. So that one is a necessary but not sufficient condition. You can check limits so that maybe an angle is going to go to 0, and then that leads to behavior that you could actually predict easily. Notice, if you had stuffed numbers in, then you wouldn't be able to do that. So one of the important reasons for working algebraically with symbols is that you can then check limits. And you should also ask yourself, is the magnitude of what you end up learning, is that reasonable? Are you ready? Okay, you need more time.